Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Zerion app in just a few taps. So let's dive in. First, open the Zerion app on your phone. Okay, let me just enter my passcode to the wallet. And tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And tap on App Settings. Scroll down until you find the button called Preferences and tap on it. And look for the option that says Language. Tap on it. Okay, you will now see a list of available languages supported by the Zerion app. Select your preferred language by tapping on it, and the app will instantly refresh and the new language will be applied. Note, if your preferred language is not listed, keep your app updated. New languages might be added in future updates. And yes, that's it. Changing the language in Zerion is that easy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.